Hey guys, it's Nate and this is the Nader Tater channel. Today I'm going to talk about this barrel train I built for my daughters. And we just had her 4th birthday party over this past weekend. Had lots of the little kids in there. I think we had up to 12 kids in here. And I'll give you some video of that in action. But beforehand I'll give you kind of a walk around and a tour of how this was built. If you want to see a detailed video of step-by-step of how it was built, you can click the link at the top right here. That goes to the build video, but for this I'll give you kind of a walk around of the finished product. So I did build it with used 55-gallon barrels and some square tubing, and then the tires and wheels came from Harbor Freight. And then for the seat I put some 2x10s for most of the seats. You can see I actually have two different styles. I have a kind of a single cutout and a double cutout. The double cutout is for the smaller kids, and that one actually has little seatbelt buckles to keep them seated during the ride. Okay, here you can see the attachment. So this goes to the hitch, and this is a standard hitch, but without the ball in there. So this pin just goes through that. And obviously for the first one I have it raised up about 6 inches to be at the right height for a quad or side-by-side, but you could also make this hook up to a lawnmower or other vehicles for towing. So you can see in here, and here's the seat. This is a 2x10, and then we got a little dash with a steering wheel to attach it, and then for the edging there's just a kind of a car door rubber edging that goes over the lip here to keep the sharp edges at bay. All the rest of them are just a straight tube. You can see the frame is just straight across front to back, and they all have the same attachment, hitch. So the front edge of them is a double piece, and then the rear edge is just a single with a pin that comes through it. So here's the double cutout. You can see in here I have my little buckle straps that just go through, and you can attach 1 or 2 kids side by side here. And again, I added this piece of wood so I could do the same thing for the front one, and that's worked well to keep the younger kids in there. You can fit up to probably about a 3-year-old in the double with the leg room that's set up. For the single cutout, you can fit a small adult. I mean, I'm about a little over 5'6". I'm able to barely fit in there. That's about the limit. Obviously, you could cut this out further, and then you could easily fit an adult. It's really the knee room that stops you from being able to fit someone taller. So this is how it's all set up. And like I said, I have 6 of them, but you could keep going if you wanted to. An ATV has no problem pulling 6 of them around the yard.